Hello cake friends and welcome to this video. Today we are going to chat about the upcoming wedding cake challenge. If you are like, I am totally in already, don't say another word. You can sign up right now in the description box below. You are going to immediately get the schedule. You're going to get all the dates that you need to know, and you're also going to get your tools and equipment list that you need to participate. If you need a little more convincing, then stick around. What I'm going to show you in this 5-day challenge is making a wedding cake with sugar flowers using tried and tested techniques with fewer tools, taking less time, and if you are selling your cakes, something that is high value and that you can charge more money for. What exactly am I going to teach you in these 5 days? We are going to create sugar flowers and assemble a cake all within that 5-day period. We're going to make daisies, ranunculus, baby's breath, and Italian ruscus. We're going to arrange all those flowers together, stack the cake, and put on those finishing touches. When you're finished this challenge, you're going to feel more confident in trying new techniques and making big and beautiful designs. I want to show you that you can do whatever you think is too difficult, whether that is making sugar flowers, stacking cakes, or even just making a smooth buttercream finish. It can all be a challenge at one point in your cake decorating process. Most importantly, I want you to join me and a community of creators who are willing to push themselves, who want to try new things, and who also want to connect with people just like you. So will we see you there? Sign up in the description box below, and I cannot wait to show you what you're capable of.